In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Freshbooks. If you're a business owner or freelancer looking to keep your financials organized, Freshbooks is an invaluable tool. It not only helps you manage your invoices, but also allows you to track expenses efficiently. Creating a receipt in Freshbooks is a simple process, ensuring your transactions are accurately documented. Let's walk through this together. First, you need to navigate to the Expenses section. You'll find this in the left-hand menu of your Freshbooks dashboard. This is where you'll begin the process of uploading your expense receipts. It's important to become familiar with this section as it houses all your financial outlays, providing a comprehensive view of your spending habits. Once you're in the Expenses menu, you'll notice a button labeled New Expense. Click on that, and you'll see an option to Upload Receipt. This function is particularly useful because it allows you to maintain digital copies of all your receipts, which is both environmentally friendly and a great way to keep track of your expenses without accumulating physical clutter. Now, you're ready to select the receipts you want to upload. You can choose from different file types such as JPEGs, PNGs, or PDFs. Simply select the photo or document from your computer's storage. Be sure that your scanned documents or images are clear enough for the FreshBooks software to interpret correctly. Accuracy here ensures that the subsequent data entry process will be as smooth as possible, saving you time in the long run. After uploading, FreshBooks will automatically create a new expense entry for each receipt image. This is where the platform's intuitive design comes into play, helping you to streamline tedious tasks. At this point, you should take a moment to review all the information that has auto-populated. It's crucial to add or verify details such as the merchant name, the category of the expense, and additional descriptions if necessary. Ensuring accuracy will help you when it comes time to file taxes or analyze your spending. Next, you have the option to assign this expense to a specific client. This step is essential for client billing and can aid in ensuring that all costs are tracked against the appropriate project or contract. After assigning a client, simply click on Create Expense to finalize the entry. This action saves the expense within your account, and it will now appear in your financial reports, helping you maintain a detailed, organized view of your business expenditures. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a receipt in FreshBooks. By following these steps, you ensure that you're maintaining accurate and useful records, crucial for financial planning and analysis. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for further tips on managing your business finances with ease.